It's getting colder here in Mississippi, which means you're probably cranking up that space heater. Once again, tips to keep you and your family safe. We cannot repeat these enough. If you're using a space heater to keep warm during the cold spell, here's what you need to remember. Keep it 3 feet away from anything that can burn. Make sure it plugs directly into a wall. Never use an extension cord or power strip. Always make sure the automatic shutoff works. Never, ever, ever leave a space heater unattended. And of course, make sure that your home has working smoke detectors and the batteries are good to go. New at